Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can disable or remove subtitles entirely for your PowerPoint presentation in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to your presentation on PowerPoint, and what you want to do next is navigate to the subtitle tab here at the top. Excuse me, slideshow tab, of course, here. And here to the right, under Captions and Subtitles, you will see this options here, Subtitle Settings, as well as Always Use Subtitles. So make sure that this feature is disabled, so these subtitles won't be shown. For example, on a slide that, if you, for example, use a slide in your presentation that doesn't need any subtitles or closed captions. You may also expand this option here, Subtitle Settings, and select your subtitle language as well as the spoken language, the subtitle position, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. Just keep this feature here turned off, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.